Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get bee eggs in Grow a Garden step by step. Now, bee eggs are super useful for collecting honey and speeding up your garden's growth. So let's see how you can find them fast. So first of all, you can get the bee eggs by harvesting the flowers in the higher level garden plots. As you collect more the plants, the expansion of your land will be increased. You will sometimes see a garden sparkle or the small egg icon appear near the flowers. That's the bee egg drop. So once you see it, you will have to tap on it quickly because it will be disappeared after some time. Secondly, you can get the bee eggs as a reward from the chests. So here in your game, you just have to go to the gardens, and here you just have to look for the daily login chests and the reward boxes. So after completing the missions, you are going to get the bee eggs as well. Another way is through the events and the missions or any kind of seasonal rewards. So during the flower or the spring event, the game usually increases the bee eggs drop rates. So make sure that you join those limited time events when they appear. Then we have the market and the shop area as well. When you click on the market and the shop area, you can just simply look for the bee eggs which can be bought using some of the coins and the gems. Avoid wasting your gems early, though you will find plenty by just playing regularly and upgrading your garden. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.